It's about 5:23 and it's raining horribly outside, and you can see the water just starts to leak up from under my desk. No other apparent reason, and it just flows across the floor until it covers the basement. Time to get the vacuum going. And this is about 10 minutes, no, not even, about 5 minutes later, and it's covering the floor pretty good. Already halfway across the floor. I've just emptied my fourth load from the shop vac. You can see it's a pretty good sized one, and the water is still all the way down the hall. In fact, that piece of paper, until I stepped on it, was floating down the hall. And this is supposed to be a plumbing problem.